Welcome to the world of beauty and style. Today we lift the veil on the Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy. This is a space where passion meets skill, a platform where dreams of making the world a more beautiful place are nurtured and brought to life. At the Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, we believe in the power of one-on-one learning. That's why we offer individual tutorial sessions with our senior beauticians, seasoned professionals who have mastered the art of beauty and style. They bring a wealth of experience and knowledge to the table, offering you the chance to learn from the very best in the industry. But that's not all we offer. Upon completion of our course, you'll receive a certificate of completion, a testament to your newly acquired skills, and a stepping stone to your future career in the beauty and style industry. But we won't stop there. We'll also provide you with a starter kit, packed with all the essentials you'll need to kickstart your journey in the world of beauty and style. And because we understand that learning doesn't stop when the classes do, we extend our support beyond the classroom. With our 30-day mentorship program, you'll have access to continued guidance and support from our senior beauticians, helping you navigate the initial stages of your career with confidence. At the Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, we are committed to helping you bring beauty to life, one face at a time. Whether you're an aspiring makeup artist, a budding stylist, or simply someone who loves all things beauty and style, our doors are open to you. So come join us, and let's make the world a more beautiful place together. Myface Beauty and Stylist Academy, where we help you bring beauty to life. In the world of weddings, seasons are more than just weather patterns. They set the stage for your big day. Each season in South Africa brings its unique charm, magic, and ambience that can transform your wedding into a memorable celebration. Let's embark on a journey through the 4 seasons, each offering its unique palette of colors, textures, and moods. First off, we have spring, the season of new beginnings. There's something special about spring weddings. The warmth of the sun, the blooming flowers, and the gentle breeze make it a perfect season for a day filled with love and joy. Moving on, we have the vibrant summer. Imagine a wedding under the bright, clear sky, with the warm sun blessing the union. It's the season of the outdoors, making it perfect for beach weddings or garden nuptials. Then comes autumn, the season of transformation. The rich, warm hues of the leaves create a romantic and cozy atmosphere. An autumn wedding can be a beautiful celebration amidst nature's spectacular color show. Finally, we have winter, the season of serenity. Winter weddings have a charm of their own. The cool, crisp air coupled with the warmth of your loved ones can make your big day a cozy, intimate affair. Now you might be wondering, which season is the best for a wedding? The answer is, there's no one-size-fits-all. Each season has its unique perks. The best season for your wedding depends on your personal preferences, your wedding theme, and of course, the availability of your desired venue. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each season and discover their unique wedding charms. Spring, a season of rebirth and renewal, is a popular time for weddings. Imagine exchanging vows amid a symphony of blossoming flowers, under a sky painted in watercolor hues. Spring weddings are a celebration of new beginnings, mirroring the fresh start you're embarking on in your marital journey. This season offers an abundance of vibrant, fresh flowers, allowing for stunning floral arrangements and bouquets. The mild, pleasant weather, neither too hot nor too cold, provides the perfect backdrop for outdoor ceremonies and receptions. It's a time when nature is at its most beautiful, offering a magical setting for your special day. And let's not forget the spring-inspired themes and colors. From pastel palettes to garden-inspired decor, spring weddings offer endless opportunities for creativity and personal expression. It's the perfect season to tie the knot if you're drawn to romantic, whimsical aesthetics. So why not pledge your love when the world is in full bloom? Spring weddings, where love blossoms with the flowers. Imagine a wedding in the warmth of summer, where the sun smiles on your love. Summer weddings are a celebration of not just unity, but also the vibrant season itself. The extended daylight hours provide ample time for ceremonies and festivities, while the clear skies and warm weather open up a world of possibilities for outdoor venues. Imagine saying your vows in a blooming garden, or dancing the night away under a canopy of stars. Summer's bounty also offers a rich palette of colors for design and decor, from fiery reds and oranges to sunny yellows and lush greens. And let's not forget the variety of fresh seasonal foods that can be incorporated into your wedding menu, ensuring a feast that's as delightful as the occasion. So why not embrace the season of warmth, where love can truly blossom? Summer weddings, where love shines as brightly as the sun. Autumn, with its rich hues and crisp air, presents a romantic backdrop for weddings. As summer fades and the leaves begin to change, there's a certain magic in the air that makes autumn weddings stand out. The beautiful fall foliage, with its vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows, creates a natural stage for your special day. And let's not forget the cozy weather. It's cool enough to wear those stylish layers, yet warm enough to hold an outdoor ceremony if you wish. Autumn serves up an abundance of seasonal flavors. Imagine a menu filled with hearty, comforting dishes, or a dessert table adorned with apple pies and pumpkin-spiced treats. This season also offers a unique selection of florals for your bouquet and decor, from dahlias and marigolds to golden sunflowers. But what truly sets autumn weddings apart is the atmosphere. There's a sense of tranquility, of slowing down before winter sets in, that lends itself to intimate, heartfelt celebrations. It's a time for gathering, for sharing warmth and love, much like the season itself. So, when you think of autumn, think of weddings, where love is as deep as the falling leaves. Winter, a season of serenity and sparkle, can be a magical time for weddings. As the mercury drops, there's something truly enchanting about saying "I do" amidst a landscape blanketed in snow. Winter weddings carry an allure that's hard to match. The frosty season offers a unique backdrop, turning each event into an intimate, cozy affair. Picture this: a ceremony lit by the soft glow of candlelight, guests bundled up in their finest winter attire, and the outside world hushed by a fresh snowfall. The magic doesn't stop there. Winter weddings often coincide with the holiday season, an already festive time of year. This can add an extra layer of joy and celebration to your special day. The possibilities are endless, from incorporating holiday traditions into your ceremony to hosting a New Year's Eve reception that keeps the party going until the wee hours. And let's not forget, winter weddings can offer more availability and potentially better rates from venues and suppliers during these less traditional wedding months. Winter weddings, where love warms the coldest days. Now that we've journeyed through the seasons, here's a bonus tip for planning your perfect wedding day. Whether it's spring, summer, autumn, or winter, remember that the best event is one that is tailored to your personal style and convenience. One essential aspect to consider is your work schedule. Try to plan around your leave days. This would not only allow you ample time to prepare without the stress of work, but also give you a few extra days to relax and enjoy the post-wedding bliss. If you have children, considering school holidays in your planning can be beneficial. It ensures that your little ones can enjoy the celebration without worrying about school the next day. Remember, planning a wedding is not a task to be undertaken alone. Don't hesitate to call upon your family for help. Their support can be invaluable in managing the myriad tasks that come with planning a wedding. Not only does this lighten your burden, but it also provides an opportunity for loved ones to be a part of your special journey. Planning a wedding is a personal and unique journey. It's your day, so it should reflect who you are. Don't feel compelled to follow trends or traditions that don't resonate with you. Instead, focus on creating a day that celebrates your love story in a way that feels true to you. And that's our bonus tip. Remember, every season offers a unique charm for your wedding. It's all about finding what suits you best and making the most of it. Tell us in the comments which tip you found most helpful and what you'd like to see next. We're always looking for ways to make your wedding planning journey easier and more enjoyable. Until then, keep planning, keep dreaming, and keep loving.